Every game developer dreams of creating something incredible, something that inspires imaginations and transports players to unforgettable worlds. But the reality can feel a lot like this. Lost in a jungle of plugins, battling compatibility issues, and spending hours wrestling with code. There's got to be a better way. Hi, I'm Negin and I'm going to introduce you to Plankton, your all-in-one solution for Unity development. Plankton isn't just another plugin, it's a revolution. A single powerful SDK that streamlines your development process so you can focus on what truly matters, bringing your games to life. Say goodbye to managing a tangled mess of plugins. Plankton offers you a single user-friendly interface for all your needs. In-app ads, in-app billing, analytics and attribution, remote config, content management, and more. No more digging through documentation and troubleshooting compatibility issues. Plankton integrates effortlessly and letting you focus on crafting exceptional gameplay. Focus on building your games, not on managing integration. Plankton puts money back in your pocket too. When your game is almost ready to be published, we step in to help you speed things up, saving valuable time and effort. Whether you are crafting a heart-pounding mobile game or immersive virtual world, Plankton empowers you to achieve more. Download Plankton today and join the next generation of game development. It's time to unleash your creativity and craft the incredible.